Hey guys, in today's video, I'm taking a look at Walmart Plus. So let's get started. Go right into Google, type in Walmart Plus. You're going to see this, walmart.ca or walmart.com. So just go right into it and we're going to sign up. Let me show you the process. So right now it is free for 30 days. So that's a trial basis for 30 days. And keep in mind that it is $89 annually or $8.97 monthly. So that's after your trial ends, you would have to go on and pay that amount. However, if you cancel before, then you should be okay. Now, if you cancel after the 30 days, they're not going to give you your money back. They're just not going to charge you the upcoming month or the upcoming year, depending what you guys sign up for exactly. Anyways, we're just going to get started. You're going to see this, try for free. So just tap there. From there, it's going to ask you to create an account or sign into your account. So either way, just put in your email or phone number and then just press continue on. So once you signed in or created your account, it's just going to take you back here. It's just kind of a glitch from the website itself, so just tap on try for free again. All right, so from here, you're going to see this, your annual or monthly. So annual, technically it's a little bit cheaper than monthly, because monthly you do end up paying a lot more if you take a look at the 12 months in total. However, go for whichever one sounds best to you. I'm just going to go with monthly for now. It doesn't matter what you guys choose, by the way. Then if you scroll down, you're going to see when they're going to start actually charging you. So right now it's August 2. That's when they're going to start charging me. So as long as I cancel before, I should be okay. But if I want to keep their service and I really like it, then you don't have to worry about that. Also, keep in mind that you get free same-day delivery, free shipping with no order minimum, and video streaming with Crave. So you get all that. Anyways, we're going to go on and join Walmart Plus. And once you've done that, you're going to see this. Walmart, welcome to Walmart Plus. And you're all done. You guys can go on and tap on Explore Benefits. Once you tap on Explore Benefits, here they are. So right now, basically, you can go on and shop in Walmart. Go on in the website itself. Just shop around. Just make sure to use the same account that you used it on to sign up for Walmart Plus. And you should be all good to go. Right here, you guys can click on every single one and see exactly what this means. So for example, the same delivery, we can get the free shipping one. It tells you just a little bit more, and the video streaming with Crave as well. So if you guys don't have that, you guys can just go on and tap on Get Crave and keep going. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.